Meet Tim. Tim loves his bike. Well, loved. Tim has been looking for the best way to protect his bike. But he hasn't been very lucky. Tim feels safer now with Sherlock. Sherlock is a small GPS tracker hidden in the frame of the bicycle. It's connected to a mobile app that lets him know where his bike is at any time.
We want to set cyclists free from the fear of theft, which is something we have all experienced. We've been working on the design and the electronics of Sherlock for about a year now, 3D printing the first prototypes and studying how to make it as small as possible so it can be hidden inside the frame of the bicycle.
Sherlock is designed to be easily installed in the handlebars. It can fit any shape of tube thanks to its flexible design. And it is completely invisible from the outside, so the design of the bike is not altered and thieves cannot see that it is there. If your bicycle moves and it's not you moving it, you will receive an immediate alert on your phone. Sherlock tracks the position of your bicycle directly on your smartphone to help you be reunited once again.
We are now running tests and finalizing the design of the product, but we need your help to get Sherlock into production. Be like Tim, support us today and get your hands on one of the first Sherlock ever made.
This is the Redshift Sports Switch Aero system. It's a quick release aero bar. It mounts to your road bike's handlebar and easily attaches and removes without tools, which lets you convert your road bike into a triathlon bike sort of on demand as you need it. The aero bars have a built-in safety mechanism so that they're very securely attached to your handlebar. They slide on and you just clamp down the lever and they're locked in place.
How's it going? It's going great. Yeah, it's we're here. This is nice.
The C-post is the other half of the Switch Aero system. It basically lets you ride a road bike with a steeper effective C-tube angle. So in the normal road position, it simulates just a normal 73-degree C-tube angle of a road bike, but as you're riding, you can easily switch it forward into a steeper C-tube angle. It takes you up to about 76, 77 degrees. It lets you ride with a more open hip angle and also feel more comfortable in the aero position. So you get both positions on your road bike. You have your regular road position that's intact, and you also have a better aero position.
Asked me to give her my old bike so she could ride it to work, which I did, and then I got scared.
Scared because large cities are not always a safe place to ride a bike.
You have to slalom your way between potholes the size of a truck.
And urban drivers are not always the most patient or diplomat citizens.
So I started asking myself, how could I make this better for her? And I made a list of all the basic specifications that a perfect urban mobility system would need to meet.
You need maneuverability, which means a short wheelbase and a steep head tube to reduce your turning radius so you can manage extremely tight corners. A large front wheel to overcome any obstacle the city puts in your way. A small motorized rear wheel to increase acceleration and climb steeper roads. You should be standing in an upright position. Because there is a lot going on in the city, you need to keep an eye on your surroundings and be able to get on and off very easily. It needs to be simple, easy to use, intuitive, and almost maintenance-free. After months of brainstorming, the basic idea of the Snicky bike was born. A vintage concept with a modern twist. A lot of sweat and tears later, with many talented people who joined the project.
We ended up with an amazing product.
And now with your help, the Snicky bike could be a game changer.
It's rare for established bike companies to collaborate on a new product together, especially to grow a new category that is barely recognized by our industry. For this project, we at Turn and Extracycle each brought our unique strengths together. It was a natural partnership because we shared the same vision, removing barriers to urban mobility.
Hi, I'm Josh Hahn. I'm a co-founder and the team captain at Turn Bicycles.
What I love about Josh is that he's a brilliant, pragmatic doer who is deeply passionate about bicycle quality and design. These days he runs Turn, an international company based in Taipei that is devoted to finding new and innovative ways to make bikes fit better into our everyday lives, and they have the patents to prove it. Hi, I'm Ross Evans, inventor and founder of Extracycle. 20 years ago, I set out to make a bike that would change the world. As an idealistic engineering student, I landed in war-torn Nicaragua. In a tin and cinder block shed, I welded together a bike that would alter the course of my life, and as it turned out, the lives of people worldwide. The city is full of incredible opportunity and things to explore. Designing a bike that can unlock the hidden treasures of our cities is a challenging design problem. For this project, we at Turn and Extracycle each brought our unique strengths together to build a special bike, the Cargo Node. It had to have integrated lighting, robust, smart, and always ready. A bike with a passenger seat. Meet a friend. Go out on a date. It's a must. Quality parts. Wide gear range. It's good on the hills, and strong brakes stop you fast. It even has a pump hidden in the seat post. Carry your laptop, laundry, kitty litter, camping gear, picnic supplies, you name it.
Folding bikes are important because they allow you to take a product which is incredibly efficient, and it's one of the best inventions ever, the bicycle, and they make it portable. Whether that is being able to fold it and bring it on the bus, onto the subway, into the trunk of a car, so that it fits into your life.
In this liberated landscape, there is a new opportunity. If you could unlock your city, what would it look like? What would your life look like? Here's how you can support the vision. Back us on our Kickstarter campaign page and join us in the magical unfolding landscape of an ignited life. Be moved, because life has a way of unfolding beautifully when you follow your heart.